Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download Apex Legends on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download Apex Legends on your PC or laptop, you will need to download the EA Games app first, since it is the game launcher for Apex Legends, so without it, you won't be able to run or download the game. So to download EA Games, first, I want you to go to Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search EA Games Download. And after searching, you will then be able to see this website, which is where you can download the EA Games app, so just go and click it. And once you're on the website, you will now be able to see the Download EA app button right here, so just go and click it to download the app. And then just choose what type of device you are using. In my case, I will choose Windows. And after that, the EA app installer will now be downloaded, so just click the file to start installing the app. And after that, the app installation will now start, just wait for it to finish. And once the installation is finished, the app will automatically open and you will be directed to the login section. So if you already have an EA Games account, just sign it in right here, but if you don't have one yet, then just create an account right here. And to create your EA Games account, you just need to fill up your information such as your birthday, email, username, and password. And make sure that the email address that you will enter is an email that you can open, because EA Game will message a verification code to you later in order to verify your account. And once you're done entering your email, you can now proceed on entering the EA Games ID that you want. This EA ID is just another word for username, so just enter the EA Games username that you want. And then you can now enter your password. And once you're done filling up your informations, you can now tap next to continue. And right here, you just need to check the agreement box and then click the create account button. And here's the verification code that I told you earlier guys, so to get the code, just open your email. And once you're on your email, you will now be able to see the message that EA Games sent to you, so just open it to see the code. And then there it is guys, you will now see the code, so you can now go back to EA Games to enter it. And after that, your EA Games account will now be created and you will automatically be logged in. So now that you have your EA Games, you can now download Apex Legends. So to do that, you just need to search Apex Legends right here. And then you will now be able to see the game, so just click it. And right here, you can now download the game by clicking the download button. And then EA Games will show you the total game size and the location where the game's files will be saved. If you want to change the location, just click the change button, but if you are fine with it, just click next. And then click download to completely start downloading the game. And after that, the downloading process will now start, so just wait for it to finish and then you will be able to play the game. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.